we're gonna call this low-tech Monday, I guess. I got this here thing. It's a typewriter, of all things. It's an old mechanical one that's like sort of portable. And the idea with this is so I can carry it around. I can write like a word or two at a time, but it's really difficult to write anything longer and like fill out forms and stuff. So I figure this thing should be good to carry around. Only problem is, as you can see, the ribbon is a little bit worn out on this thing, so it's not as dark as it could be. Luckily for us, there's a very easy solution for that. So we're gonna pull this top off of here. And this one comes with a reusable ribbon, or one that you can re-ink. I tried rolling it out a little bit further to get to another part here, but it needs to be re-inked. So what I'm gonna do here, spray it with WD-40, and that actually will rejuvenate the ink a little bit on these. So all I have to do, we're gonna wind this thing so it's all the way wound up, and then we're gonna pull this ribbon out of here. Wait for it. Come on, you can do it. She's probably wearing gloves for this. Come out of there, you. There's a little sort of a slot that the ribbon has to come out through here, and it's a little hard to get with one hand. Hang on a second, let me remove this, I'll be right back. Okay, actually I got to thinking about it, I don't need to do that. I can just pull off this side here that's already full, and we're gonna stick this can of WD-40 hose down in here a little ways and see if we can't soak a little bit of this in a few different spots. I'm trying to get it so it goes over the top and gets in the rest of it there, but I don't know, it's kind of soaking up. So anyways, that may be enough, I don't know. But we're gonna stick it back on here and then just wind it back and forth a few times. Okay, let's try it again. So we kind of saturated it a little bit too much. I'm gonna have to actually take this out of here, and it might be beyond the WD-40 trick. Might have to actually re-ink it. As you can see so far, the letters are a little bit washed out. Yeah. Anyways, that's something I used to always do that would work. I'm gonna screw around with this and I'll come back once I get it going. So fast forward about 10 months, I just discovered that footage. Actually, I just remembered it. I don't even know how I remembered it. But yeah, I haven't done anything else. I shut off the camera. I'm moving this chair here. I shut off the camera at the end of that last clip and stuck the typewriter down here. And haven't done anything with it since then. So let's see if the 10-month soaking time has given us any advantage. Oh, guess I need a piece of paper. Hang on a second. Alright, we got a couple of sheets of fresh paper here. Wait, where's the loading lever? Ah, there we go. Okay, there we go. Well, it, I don't know if this camera is going to show very well, but yeah, it seems to work. Echo, turn on the work lights. Hey! Oh wait, this one doesn't have the exclamation point. So you have to hold shift and then that mark, backspace, period. There we go. Yeah. Let's wind our reel here a little bit more. Oh, it just comes up as a big blotch. Okay, so apparently to do this properly, you have to replace the ribbon or at least re-ink it. Yeah, there you go. Low-Tech Monday. It would have been better if it was Tuesday. Low-Tech Tuesday has more of a ring to it, but yeah, here's some footage for the other channel.